Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explain what the F6E1 error code on a Whirlpool oven means and how to fix it. The F6E1 error usually indicates a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or the control board. Essentially, the oven is detecting a temperature reading that's outside the expected range. First, turn off the oven and unplug it for safety. Then, locate the temperature sensor inside the oven cavity. It's usually a thin metal probe near the back wall. Inspect it for damage or loose connections. Next, test the sensor with a multimeter if possible. A faulty sensor will need to be replaced to restore proper operation. Make sure the sensor is properly connected to the control board when reinstalling. If the sensor is working fine, the issue may be with the electronic control board. Check for loose wires or visible damage and consider replacing the board if needed. After replacing or reconnecting the sensor or control board, plug the oven back in and run a test at a low temperature. The F6E1 error should no longer appear, and the oven should heat normally. By following these steps, you can fix the Whirlpool oven F6E1 error code and get your oven working properly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.